And Sahal bin Hunayf, again the same, Yaqulu fil Khawarij. Other hadith is also about the Kharijis. And this is again Sahih Bukhari. Again he mentioned this in Kitabul Fitna. Other hadith in Kitabul Fitna. Babu Qawl al-Nabi al-Fitnatu min qibal al-Mashriq. Al-Fitratu min qibal this fitna will come out of east. This is hadith. Sahih Bukhari. And hadith number is 7094. First of all, 7092. Salim, who was the Prophet's companion, divides. He said, Holy Prophet was delivering a lecture, and he said, I was standing near to Holy Prophet. Holy Prophet said, Faqala al-fitnatu ha-huna. Al-fitnatu ha-huna. The fitna, the disruption, that is there. Disruption, the fitna is there. The fitna is there. He pointed out like this. He said, Min haysu yatlu qarnu shaitan. And there a group, a satanic group will take rise from that side. A satanic group will take rise from that side. And Abdullah bin Umar, next to the 7093. Same Kitabul Fitan of Sahih Bukhari, 7093. This is reported by Abdullah bin Umar. He says, أنه سمع رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم وهو مستقبل المشرق يقول ألا إن الفتنة ها هنا وحيث من حيث يطلع قرن الشيطان. He said, he pointed out towards east. He said, the fitna would be here, there in east. The fitna, the disaster, the distortion, disruption in Islam will come up, will emerge from the east. And this would be a satanic group. Now hadith number 7094. And again this is reported by Abdullah bin Umar. He says that Holy Prophet ﷺ once mentioned in his dua, he was praying, he made dua, supplication, and he said, Allahumma barik lana fi shamina. O Allah, bless the people in Sham, in Syria, with your barakah, with your blessings. Shower your blessings on them in Sham. And don't say Syria. Syria, these are the new countries. The word Sham, it includes Syria, it includes Jordan, it includes Palestine, Baitul Maqdis, it includes all these surrounding areas and countries. Or that is known as Ardul Anbiya, up to the Misr, Egypt near. All these Ardul Anbiya, this includes the word Sham. Mulku Sham. He said, O Allah, barik lana fi shamina. Shower your blessing in our Sham. Allahumma barik lana fi yamanina. And shower your blessing in our Yaman. There were some people sitting there in Holy Prophet's Majlis company, and they had come from Najd. They had come from Najd. And they asked, Ya Rasulullah, Wafi Najdina. And make dua for our Najd also. Make dua for our, you know where is the Najd? In the district of Riyadh. There is in district of Riyadh, and the whole province is Najd. The whole Riyadh province is Najd. And Makkah, Jeddah and Medina, this province is Hijaz. And the Riyadh whole capital province is Najd. And some of the scholars say that this Najd was a village on the border area of Iraq. and mentioning this was one of the capital places of Khawarij and Haruris. So some apply to that village on the border area of Iraq, which was the capital place of the Kharijis and Haruris, Tahriris, or Najd of Iraq, whatever may be. You understand the point? Holy Prophet ﷺ said, he said, Wafi Najdina. Holy Prophet again repeated the words of his dua and said, Allahumma barik lana fi shamina. Allahumma barik lana fi jamanina. O Allah, you bless your showers in Sham and bless your showers in Yaman. And he didn't mention Najd. Again that man said, Wafi Najdina. Holy Prophet again said, repeated the word, Salisa, fi shamina wa fi yamanina. O Bari Ta'ala, for our Sham and for our Yaman, we want your blessings. And third time he said, not for Najd. He said for Najd, when he asked, Wafi Najdina, Ya Rasulullah, and say for our Najd also. He replied, said, Hunaka zalazilu wal fitanu, wa biha yatlu qarnu shaitan. I don't say Najd. Why? Because there would be earthquake, zalazil. There would be fitan. And a great satanic group will emerge from that place. A big satanic group will emerge from that place. Satanic group will emerge. So the Prophet has mentioned, a big satanic group will emerge from that place. So you see, that thing was also mentioned by Holy Prophet. The fitna of Najd, those who will emerge from there. The fitna of Khawarij and the fitna of Haruris, Tahriris. All fitnas. The fitna of Najdis, Kharijis and Haruris, Tahriris.